Mbalothi wa Japan Kenya niwe Ken Kaniwa na uretie thirikari ya Kenya gutumira into iria mari nacio gukoria uchumi wa Kenya ukanibwa ARIUGA kwirigira mbia cia kuromba gukathongeria nthi ya Kenya irimanirie marandu ona nkuruki na kurigiria Kenya kuthii na mbere itamwonekio muciri na ino.
Vururi wa Kenya ni wagirirwe kwithema na mikovo na gweterera utethio kuma mavururi mananja. Muthamaki wa vururi niwe William Ruto agirirwo gutigira ati ni watumira indo iria cionekanaga vururi-ire uyu niguo gukuria utonga waguo. Ino ni kulingana na ambassador wa Kenya kuma vururi wa Japan niwe His Excellency Kaniwa Ken uria urauga vururi kugeria gukuria utonga waguo na mikovo ni kwa kuritovagiria ekari ngarama ya muturire ithenya ria kuongerera utonga wa vururi.
Kenyans and the Kenyan government can stand on its own feet. No country will develop if it continues to have a sentiment of asking for money or asking something from someone else. This is why Japan itself, it was not a rich country before, but we basically built our country based on the education of the people and promoting the health of the people.
Kaniwa Ken wa uguo ni urongerera kuga mvonge cia bata makiria cia gukiriria iri cia mbere ni kithomo na ugima wa mwiri. Akauga giki nikio gitumi vururi wa Japan uratethia vururi wa Kenya uria guonthe mangivota niguo merugamie mvongeri ino igiri.
And also individuals from Japan who want to in one way or another help the people of Kenya through education and health. So I hope that the people running this hospital and the schools can continue to expand the activities with the support of the county government and the people in the local areas.
Aritie miario ino thiini wa icera riake miena ngurani ya kaunti ya Embu makiria mwena wa cukuru na thibitari cia Kîrî kuria mari na ngwataniro ya mwanya niguo gukiriria gikiro gia kithomo na ugima wa mwiri thiini wa vururi wa Kenya na kaunti ya Embu.
Arauga andu merungamirire tondu ni arauga kio gitu nikio kingi tuteithia toria Japanese uria kwari na thina munene after second world war ni marutire wira nakio na makihota kwirugamirira na ni arauga ni wega na ithu turute wira nakio ni tugite ndona funding mukahinda kanene na ni atu challenge turute wira nakio turiketeneri turi Kenya getha na ithu tuhote na kugia self what we can call self sustainable activity.
We are trying to be self sustainable by ensuring to ina resources yetu in terms of human capital na pia tukageria gukorwa nginya undu ukoniye technology tukageria ku embrace technology in different medical interventions. Currently technology iria tumika thiini wa developed countries like laparoscopy.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu mbetagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.